Watch this. All right. Perfect. Place it down inside here like this. Okay, watch. Ooh. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now don't go anywhere because I'm going to actually teach you how this is done. Well, all right. This is how this works. Very simple, easy to do. You're not going to believe this, but there actually is a piece, look at this, of invisible string in my mouth right here, okay? Now, I know you can't see that, so I made this up like this, okay? A candle with the piece of string, which is a piece of black thread. That goes in your mouth, okay? Like this, right? Then when you drop the candle down, all you're going to do is come back like this, and that candle goes up into the glass, just like that. So there you go. Make sure you don't use red or any colored thread. Make sure it's black. Make sure the lighting's good behind you. That way they can't see it.